In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color variants in Shopify. Adding color options to your products is a great way to make your store look more professional and help customers find exactly what they want. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and you can follow along in your own Shopify admin as we go. First, open your Shopify dashboard and log into your store. Once you're in, you'll land on the main admin homepage. This is where you manage everything in your store, from products to orders and customers. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on Products. This will open a list of all the products currently in your store. If you have a lot of products, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the one you want to edit. Next, click on the specific product that you'd like to add color variants for. This will take you to the product details page, where you can see the title, description, images, pricing, and more. Now, scroll down this page until you find the section called Variants. This is where you control different options like size, material, and of course, color. If your product doesn't have variants yet, you'll see an option that says Add options like size or color. Go ahead and click on that. A small panel will open where you can choose the type of option you want to add. From the list of common options, click on Color. Shopify will automatically set this up as an option name, and underneath you'll be able to add the specific colors you offer. You'll now see a selection of colors you can choose from. Click on each color you want to add for this product. For example, you might choose red, blue, black, or white. Take a moment to make sure you're only selecting colors that you actually stock, so customers don't order something you don't have. When you've finished selecting all the colors you need, click on Done. Shopify will generate a separate variant for each color you chose. At this point, you can scroll through the variants list and, if you like, adjust prices, SKUs, or inventory for each color individually. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button at the top right of the page and click it. Once it's saved, your new color variants will appear on your online store, and customers will be able to choose their preferred color right on the product page.